The unforgiving environment of today's high-tech operating room offers a daunting list of old and new challenges to the medical design engineer. Many involve the increasing use of sophisticated electronic disposable devices for minimally invasive surgery. How do you keep the ultimate cost of the disposable device low while maintaining the high quality and performance levels demanded with surgical devices? And can you make the connection from the disposable device to the reusable console easily and reliably without compromising design or cost goals for either part of the system? Until recently, the situation forced the engineer to either over-design the disposable handpiece by using a high-cost plug to mate with the high-cost receptacle on the console, or under-design the capital equipment by using a low-cost receptacle to mate with a low-cost handpiece plug. But now, thanks to the new LUC from Fischer connectors, complete control has been returned to the design engineer. The LUC system incorporates Fischer's standard contact lock configurations into unique plastic plug components. There are 4 basic configurations to choose from: a 2-piece shell, a 1-piece shell, an over-moldable plug, and a snap-in plug. The low-cost LUC, or limited use connector, is specifically designed to mate with Fischer's standard high-quality metal high mating cycle receptacles. It uses the same large set of contact configurations as the existing Fischer product line. The result is a highly reliable, cost-effective connection that won't cause costly damage to the console. Other features that seasoned OEM designers will appreciate are the ease of assembly and the lightweight components. Customizable options include contact configurations from 2 to 19 pins, the ability to integrate flex circuits to add capability and simplify assembly, easy insertion of embedded electronics into the 2-piece version, 3 standard colors with unlimited custom colors available. As an integrated solution, after choosing between the 2-piece, 1-piece, or over-moldable plug body styles, the engineer can also choose from 3 cabling methods, starting with the typical solution of a long cable hardwired to the disposable handpiece, and everything is discarded after a single use. But the LUC gives you 2 other connection options. One uses a shorter disposable cable where the LUC plug connects to an intermediate cable instead of directly to the console. This cable uses standard Fischer male and female high mating cycle cable connectors to complete the connection to the console. You can design it for wipe down if the disposable cable is long enough to exit the sterile field, or for autoclave if the intermediate cable enters the sterile field. The final method uses an intermediate cable with Fischer cable connectors to complete connection, but no disposable cable is hardwired to the single-use handpiece. The LUC mounts directly to the handpiece, and the cable is designed to be autoclaved. The flexibility and reliability of Fischer connectors will continue to make engineers' jobs easier as surgical techniques continue to evolve and new technologies and equipment emerge to support these new techniques. You can count on the innovative LUC system to deliver the high quality and performance you need at the cost your customers demand.